a tree. When it's cut down, it will sprout again. Its shoots will not cease, and its root in the ground will spring to life again. There is hope for a seed. When it dies in the ground, it will sprout again. It will grow tall as a tree. Then it will be found that it has life again. For our life is but a breath, so we should put our sins to death. What will it profit if you gain the whole world but lose your soul? Give your life for His sake. When you die to yourself, and your life will be whole. Anything like me, when your sin is found out, you will hide from Him. But come before Him on your knees and lay your pride down and follow after Him. There is hope for you and me when we've laid our lives down, that we have a sit at His feet and cast aside your doubt, and you will rise.